Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Casio Edifice. This is going to be the EFK version, the first ever automatic Casio watch, and this tutorial is going to work for all releases, including the carbon fiber version, as all of these have the same movement inside. As you can see here, we have the see-through back where we can actually see the NH35A movement. This is a Seiko movement, and it also has a manual winding option. Now, the easiest way to wind this watch is to actually wear it, because as you wear it, this small metallic part is going to rotate and it is going to do the winding for you. So as you wear the watch, the rotor is going to spin and it is going to do the winding. So when you put it on the wrist and move it around, it is going to start winding. Now, the second option, because as I mentioned, it also has a manual winding option, is to rotate the watch crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction upwards, and that is going to also wind the watch. Now, there are some people that might say that manually winding your automatic watch is going to damage the movement, is going to damage the watch. That is not the case, because if it were that way, the watch manufacturer would have not included this feature. Now, what this does is going to engage more gears. So more wheels are going to spin inside your watch. Thus, it is going to increase the wear of the watch a little bit more compared to only using the rotor, so the automatic winding of the watch. So what I would recommend after you have left the watch on your nightstand in a box for a long period of time, you are going to pick it, give it a quick wind, so manual wind. You are going to set the time and date. I have a full guide on how to do that as well, since this is a mechanical watch, and then you can put it on your wrist and the moving is going to do the rest for you. So that is how you are going to wind your automatic watch. As long as you wear it and you are going to move it around, this is going to wind the watch for you. Another option is to pick it up and give it a few shakes, and that is going to start and spin the rotor, and it's going to do that those first windings for you in order to get the watch going. So guys, this was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to wind your Casio Edifice EFK automatic watch. As I mentioned, this is going to work for all Casio automatic watches that have been released so far. You can apply this tutorial to other watch brands out there as well. So in case you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. I also have a full guide with everything that you need to know about this model, and also how to adjust the bracelet, so to remove some of the links in order to shorten the bracelet and fit it to your wrist. Link in the description box below. Also guys, if you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Subscribe guys, and I will see you on the next one.